lesson is on modal verbs, can and could. Enjoy the lesson. Here we go.
Welcome to Helen's English Center. It's fun to learn here. How to use the modal verb can. General ability in the present. 1. I can speak English. Ask for permission. Informal. 2. Can I borrow your pencil? To request something. 3. Can you help me please? Possibility. 4. It can get very cold at night. Offer to help someone. 5. Can I carry your bags for you? Cannot. Can't means not allowed. 6. You can't go to the party. How to use the modal verb could. General ability in the past. 1. I could play the piano when I was younger. Ask for permission. More polite. 2. Could I use your bathroom, please? To request something. More polite. 3. Could you pass the salt, please? Possibility in the past. Could plus have plus past participle. 4. Wow, you could have broken your leg. Suggestion when asked what to do. 5. We could go to the movies if you like. Conditional of can. Would be able to. 6. If we had some oranges, I could make you some fresh juice. Equals would be able to. Thank you. I do hope you enjoy the lesson. See you soon.
You can follow me on my Facebook, my Twitter, my blog, helensinglishcenter.com, and you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you.